Hey people, it's me again, and I'm going to tell you a line from one of my favorite movies, Billy Madison. I hope I get this right. Okay. Shampoo is better because it goes on your hair first and makes your hair clean. No, conditioner was better because it makes your hair silky and smooth. So yeah, that's my favorite line from Billy Madison. One of my favorite parts. One, I like the penguin, and I like how Billy, whenever the person pees on themselves, he's like, and then he puts the water in his like pants, and he's like, yeah, it's the new cool thing or whatever. And yeah, and the penguin, and then when we were drunk and he went to the teacher's house, and he was you want to go light some dog poo on me? And the teacher thing, she got mad at him and then she put him in the pool. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching this. Hope you like it. Bye.